And now to the murder trial against Lindsay Clancy, which is entering its 15th day of testimonies today. Clancy admitted to killing her 3 children in 2023, but her lawyers argue she is not criminally liable because she was overmedicated and suffering from postpartum psychosis. The defense is calling more witnesses to the stand today to support that argument, including one of Clancy's family members and a medical professional. Our correspondent Shanelle Kaul is following this trial for us. And Shanelle, what can you tell us so far about today's proceedings?
Well, Mugo, what's really at the center of this case is Lindsay Clancy's state of mind on that day, on January 24th, 2023. And what the defense here is trying to prove to jurors is that on that day back in 2023, Lindsay Clancy was suffering from something called postpartum psychosis and that she was overmedicated. To try to make that case, today they brought to the stand somebody named Dr. Donald Condi. This is someone who is a clinical and forensic psychiatrist, and he testified today to jurors about exactly what postpartum depression and postpartum psychosis, or PPP, is, and how traditional symptoms for those illnesses align with what he says Lindsay Clancy reportedly shared with her doctors. Take a listen.
If a woman is unable to sleep, feels as though she's losing a contact or connection with her infant, is stressing about not having that contact with her infant, feels that she's unable to emote or feel love or any emotions and can't relate to people, and also is out of reality, are those, or dissociative state, are those, in your opinion, symptoms of postpartum depression and or leading to postpartum psychosis?
Yes, they are.
And Lindsay had those symptoms, didn't she?
She reported all those symptoms, yes.
So during cross-examination, Mugo, Dr. Condi testified that Lindsay Clancy did not reportedly share that she was hearing voices with any of her healthcare professionals, her doctors that were treating her in the few months leading up to what happened in January of 2023. But then during the redirect with Kevin Reddington, Lindsay Clancy's defense attorney here, he also testified, Mugo, that many women who go through symptoms like this may feel complicated about coming forward. They may be hesitant to share those symptoms with any kind of medical provider who is a mandated reporter for fear that their children or child could be taken away from them. And he also speculated that in Lindsay's case particularly, she may have had an additional concern about her nurse's license being taken away from her as well.
Shanelle Kaul, thank you so much for your reporting. Appreciate it.